To all. So in the previous video, okay, they discussed about the application of trigonometry chapter, the exercise 9.1, question number 14 and 16 completed previous video. Now in this video, we will discuss about the question number 15. That's clear? The question number 15. What's the meaning of the question number 15? Let's see. A straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. Okay, you consider one straight highway. The highway to reach the foot of the tower. Consider this is the foot of the tower. Okay, consider one standing in the vertical tower. Here is foot of the tower. One straight highway to reach the foot of the tower. A man standing at the top of the top. A man standing at the top of the tower. Observe a car at the angle of depression is 30 degree. Next, which is approach to the foot of the tower is uniformly speed. The 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken to car to reach the foot. Okay, foot of the tower from this point. Okay, foot of the tower from this point. Okay, what's the meaning? Sir, question means a man standing. Okay, top of the tower. A man standing the top of the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower. He observed the angle of car is 30 degree. So here one car is A. I choose the initial position of the car is equal to A. He observed the angle of depression is 30 degree. So I draw the line of straight. It's clear? Horizontal line of the straight. So here the car to reach, okay, the man to observe the angle of depression is 170 degree, 30 degree. 30 degree position the man should be observed. But the car should be uniform speed. That's the question is very important. That car should be uniform speed for entire problem. Next, after 6 seconds later, okay, after 6 seconds, okay, after the 6 seconds later, okay, the car to reach, okay, 6 seconds. Okay, 6 seconds later, okay, which is approach to the 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. 6 seconds later, the car will come to some distance. You should be travel the car. Again, you observe the angle of depression is 60 degree. The angle of depression is 60 degree. Okay. Next, find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Again, finally, the car to reach the foot of the tower, how many seconds? What's the time? Okay, what time to reach the car to foot of the tower? So, one person standing up the top of the tower, okay, one uniform speed car, I will observe the angle of depression, first position 30 degree. Next, 6 seconds later, the car towards the foot of the tower. Okay, again that person to observe the car angle of depression is 60 degree. So what time the car to reach the foot of the tower? This is a question. What time car to reach the foot of the tower? So in the given problem, okay, the uniform speed car is a uniform speed. That's a very important. Okay, the uniform speed of the car. Okay, now what's the distance? Okay, I will consider. You put the point A, B, C, D. Okay, just A, B is a line of height on the line. Okay, straight line, the horizontal line of the straight. Again, the AC, the two lines are parallel. Same way, AD is a transverse line. So alternative angles are equal. Up here 30 degree means again I'll put the 30 degree. Next here also 60 degree. So previous problem, many problems, same way the concept discussed. Okay, so now the car, you know the distance formula. What's the distance formula? The distance is equal to, okay, the distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. It's clear? The distance is equal to speed into time. Okay. Let again the speed of the car. Okay, the entire problem, uniform speed of the car. Okay, the uniform speed of the car. I will choose let V be the uniform speed of the car. Uniform speed of the car. speed of the car. Okay, uniform speed of the car. Okay, let V be the uniform speed of the car. It's clear. Now what's the distance of AB? Okay, the distance of AB is equal to what's the distance formula? Speed into time. What's the speed? I will choose V. What time? 6 seconds. Upon the distance of AB is equal to 6V. Speed V time 6. Upon therefore speed AB is equal to 6V. Understand? Next BC. I need the distance of BC. So I find out the distance. I don't know the time. I will choose the time T. So again the BC time. BC. The time of BC is equal to same way TV. Okay, TV. Why is that T means? T means time, V be the speed of the car. Okay, so using the distance formula, distance equal to speed into time. So first position of the distance AB is equal to 6V, second distance BC. So I don't know time, so I will choose the variable T. The speed of the car is equal to V. Upper distance is equal to speed into time. So speed V and time T. That's what BC is equal to TV. Is clear? Right. So remaining as usual, same method only. So first I consider in a triangle, okay, BCD. Same way in a triangle BCD at the angle of C is equal to 90 degree. Is clear? Same way tan 60 degree. I will choose the formula tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side. That's the meaning of DC by BC. Is clear? Therefore, tan 60 degree the value is equal to root 3. DC I don't know the DC by BC. Okay, BC is equal to DV. Okay, don't take the T because of the T is a time. So I need the distance up using the TV. Up here T and V. It's clear? So I need the distance DC is equal to root 3 T and V. You got to assume that equation 1. It's clear? Next same in a triangle, the whole triangle. I will choose in a triangle ACD at the angle of C is equal to 90 degree. It's clear? Angle of C is equal to 90 degree. So you will choose tan 30 degree. Okay, we know the formula tan 30 degree is equal to what's the opposite side? DC by adjacent side, total adjacent side, that's the value of AC. That's clear? So tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Next DC by AC. AC means that the entire value. AC means of AB plus BC. AB plus BC. So here 1 by root 3 is equal to DC by AB. Okay. What's the value of AB? AB is equal to 6V. AB is equal to 6V plus BC. BC is equal to TV. Okay, just equal to multiple 6V plus TV is equal to root 3 DC. Root 3 DC. Is clear? Root 3 DC. What's the value of DC? From 1. DC is equal to root 3V. From 1 up here 6V plus TV is equal to root 3 in the value of DC. DC is equal to root 3 TV. Root 3 DV. That's clear? Up here 6V plus TV is equal to 3 TV. Just equal to entire value. What's the value? V should be cancelled. That's clear? Take in common. V should be cancelled. What's the remaining? 6 plus T is equal to 3T. Therefore, 6 is equal to 2T. You will subtract what's the value? T is equal to 3. Okay. Upon the time to the car to reach the foot of the tower is 3 seconds. Okay. The car, what's the question? The car, find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. Okay. From this point. It's clear? So, for the car to reach the foot of the car to reach the foot of the tower is 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Is clear? Okay, this is a very important problem. Okay, question number 4 mark question, the many time asking the board examination questions. So in this, okay, so previously you completed the exercise 9.1 problem fully completed. So next video you can watch the NCERT example problem, important problems we discussed about the NCERT examiner, next and board question paper problems, important some standard questions. Okay, you can watch the next video. Thank you.